Okay, what we got here? A build with an animated background. Now, this builder, the Hermit, it's got 3 builds in the Doomsday wizard that has these sort of backgrounds. I've only checked this one, it's the green one. Now, this builder, I remember a few years ago I did one of these builds. I can't remember, it used to be like a rock band type build, rock star type. I can't remember the name of it. It's no longer there, but I remember one of you guys, one of my subscribers says, "Oh, it'd be good if you had that, rock musical, in the background." And I did mention it to him. And then last year, I believe it's last year, I've seen a build of his from, you have to get it from his own repo, the Hermit repo, and he's actually got background music in the build. I'm like, you guys know that I like unique builds. I want, I want to sort of showcase builds that are different. And that is, like I said to him, I said, that is one of the best builds I've ever seen. I mean, and I never got around to actually doing that, incorporating music in my own builds. But yeah, it just, sometimes I put on Kodi and I just sit in there and I don't know what to watch or put on or whatever like that. And I think it'd be nice to have some music. Not too loud, but, nice, gentle background music there whilst you're sort of like scrolling on the build, selecting what to do, what you fancy, or doing a search. I think that's great.